Welcome to Happy Hearts Hub. I'm Zogo, your friendly space buddy, and I'm super excited you're here. Today, I'm taking you on a tour of my spaceship. We're going to explore all the cool stuff inside while counting from 1 to 10. There's so much to see, and I'll show you how everything works. Are you ready to blast off and learn some numbers? Let's dive right in. So let me tell you about my spaceship. It's kind of the best, and there's no other ship like it in the galaxy. It's powered by some pretty awesome technology, but I'll save that story for another time. For now, let's check out all the neat stuff inside and start counting. 1 steering wheel. Every spaceship needs a steering wheel. I have one big steering wheel. It's shaped like a glowing kiwi slice. It helps me steer around stars, planets, and whatever else is floating out there. Can you pretend to steer with me? Turn left. Now turn right. Awesome, you're a pro. 2 rocket boosters. Now check this out. My rocket boosters. I've got 2 rocket boosters at the back of the ship. They're powered by special juice and make the ship go super fast, like faster than light fast. Just imagine blasting through space with these. Pretty cool, right? 3 blinking buttons. Next is my control panel. It has 1, 2, 3 blinking buttons. Each one does something different. The red one is for the boosters, the blue one is for the lights, and the green one starts the engine. Which button should I press first? The blue one? Boop, great choice. 4 spaceship windows. Let's check out the windows. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 rare round windows. Each one shows something different. One has a glowing orange planet, another has a pink nebula, one has a shooting star, and the last one has an asteroid belt. What would you want to see out of a spaceship window? 5 space tools. Every space explorer needs tools. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tools in my toolbox. There's a wrench, a drill, a screwdriver, a hammer, and a cutter. Which tool would you grab first? I think the drill is pretty sweet. It's great for fixing things in space. 6 space meals. Space travel makes me hungry, so I packed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 space meals for my trip. There's juice, sandwiches, snacks, all the good stuff. My favorite is pear juice. It's delicious. If you were traveling through space, what snack would you bring? 7 juice power tubes. All right, let's check out my walls. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 glowing juice power tubes. They're filled with fruit energy to keep my ship running smoothly. Which juice do you think sounds the yummiest? 8 glowing lights. Look up, my ceiling has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 glowing lights shaped like fruit slices. They keep the whole spaceship bright, even when space gets super dark. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice work. 9 fruit rocket launchers. Now for something super cool. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fruit rocket launchers in my launch bay. Each rocket is shaped like a different fruit. If you had to pick one to fly, which one would it be? I'd probably take the banana rocket. It looks fast. 10 planets in the cosmic travel display. Finally, here's my cosmic travel display. Let's count the planets first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let me show you each one. Mercury is rocky and grey. Venus is golden and cloudy. Earth is blue and green. Mars is red and dusty. Jupiter has swirling storms. Saturn has glowing rings. Uranus is blue and tilted. Neptune is deep and stormy. Pluto is tiny and icy. And then there's my favourite, planet produce. But that's a story for another day. Wow, we counted all the way from 1 to 10 and explored my spaceship. You did amazing. Thanks for joining me, Space Explorers. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Happy Hearts Hub for more fun adventures. I'll see you next time. Zogo out. Bye-bye, Space Buddies.